What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I am Lashae, and today I made these beautiful glitters you seen on the screen, and I'm going to be showing you how. So I will be using all of these glitters. I have a little variety. Most of them I got from Walmart. Some of them I did get from Michael's and Joann's. To be honest, you can use any glitter you want, any glitter you like. Who doesn't love glitter? I honestly tried to get some that shifted like in the light so that they would be really reflective. I like my glitters to be reflective like that, so I pretty much use those small ones in every single color. But those are the jars I'm going to be using, and that clear container had clear nail powder in it. So this one is the first one that I will be making. I use the orange one with a green reflex. Then I got these little flakes packets from Walmart. And at first I was pouring it out of the bottle, but it'll be easier if you have little measuring cups or whatever they're called. But yeah, when you're making your glitters, try to incorporate other colors in it that would complement the main color. And this one is called Tropical Punch. So next I am making Ocean Breeze, and it's mainly a bunch of different turquoise colors. This one is most definitely one of my favorites. See here, I got the little, it's not a measuring cup because it's not an actual cup, but like, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so I pretty much added those in every single color so that you know, I can get the reflectiveness that I want. And that one wasn't that reflective, so I ended up adding more. And I'm just using a little coffee stirrer to mix them up. This one is pretty much all like silver and holographic glitter. I pretty much put every single thing I had that was holographic in there or silver. This one is called Nebula, which is, you know, pretty fitting for all of this holographic. At first I was gonna name her what was it going to be? I think Hollow Disco, and I just didn't really like it because it like didn't sit right with me. I was being so messy when I was doing this. Like, please, if you think this is going to be a clean and easy, well, I mean, it was easy, but like, if you think it's not going to be messy, you thought wrong, because I literally had glitter everywhere, all over my hands, all over my clothes, all over the floor, everywhere, y'all. So here I'm making black ice, and to be honest, the swatch of this was really horrible, but once, you know, you actually use it on nails, it'll look better. And top coat it. I didn't top coat the swatches so they're not glossy. It's just like the you know, when acrylic dries, it's matte. So yeah, and I didn't want it to just be all black, so I put some of the holographic smaller pieces in there, as you can see. And there's black ice, ladies and gentlemen. Voila. Okay, just kidding. I went back and added these sparklies, whatever you want to call them. Voila. So next, this one is Flower Child, and I really love this one. This one was the only one I used the holographic like pink flowers in, and I really love those, but like I just feel like they didn't match anything else, but they were perfect in here, and I really love this glitter. Look at them, they're so cute. Like, oh my gosh. And I got those and the ones I just poured in, both of those chunkier glitters, I got those from Michaels. I really love Michaels. I need to go get more glitters from there, because those were a lot better than the ones at Walmart, of course. I mean, it's a craft store. But yep, there is Flower Child. And now I'm working on Honey Pot. And I don't know why I didn't clean up my mess. And I'm upside down. I just realized that. Okay. Well, you can't really tell. It's just the way my hands are positioned. Okay, whatever. This one is one of my favorite ones. Oh my gosh. This one is, what is it called? I'm trying to remember from off the top of my head. Oh, this one is Love, Glitter, and Magic. That's me putting in the, clear acrylic into each jar. And these are the swatches of each glitter on a lint-free nail wipe, which is all I had. I try to show y'all the reflectiveness moving that fast. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this video useful and helpful, and hopefully it inspired you to make your own glitters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, stay blessed, and stay sweet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.